This 2012 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 3611 is a Class A RV. It is located in Hot Springs, Arkansas, 71901 and is offered for sale by Quality Wheelz. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features a tan interior, sleeps 8, stovetop burner, microwave, awning, self-contained, air conditioning, water heater, TV, leveling jacks, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front dinette, mid-living area. This 2012 Thor Motor Coach Outlaw 3611 is built on a Ford F53 Super Duty chassis and is powered by a 6.8L Triton V10, 362 HP at 4,750 RPM engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.